Peugeot 408 2007 to 2015 version. Install Onego 9-inch Android big screen GPS player with OEM good fitting casing. OEM socket, canbus socket plug and play. Okay, connect reverse camera, parking camera, DSP, 14 band flexible equalizer DSP, a preset channel, flexible control, preset channel, full manual, video input and video output, Bluetooth, phone Bluetooth. Okay, pairing with your phone Bluetooth, you can change the device name. After connect with the Bluetooth, you can click for the BT music to share your phone music to car player. Easy connect mirror link, selected phone model, Android Wi-Fi, Android USB and iPhone Wi-Fi. Car setting, general setting, common, handbrake off, so you can play video after release handbrake. Reverse mirror, left right screen. Okay, and a video PIP, picture in picture function. Assistive touch, turn off. Navi software mix, a preset software, system setting, factory setting, password 1617. Okay, so you can do some adjust, change logo, back car reverse setting, and a canbus setting. So you have to select race Peugeot model Peugeot 408 and 2014 and click save to update the canvas. Okay, after canvas set up, so we show for the car info. File Explorer, so 9-inch big screen, no SD card, no DVD slot, but it's come with 2 USB slot. USB extension we put in the drawer. Play Store to download app, log in a Gmail, styling control setting or setting, network internet or Android car player. You have to turn on the Wi-Fi to connect with your phone hotspot sharing for internet. About car, Android version 10, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, a DSP version. Okay, click for the square icon so you can split screen function. Long press, draw it to left or right, so split screen. Some of the apps cannot support split screen. You have to choose some example music or video file or GPS app. Okay, to turn off the split screen, draw it. Okay, click the square icon as well. Clear apps, clear it one by one, or clear all. Okay, for the video file, when you play video, click for the home icon. So this is PIP, picture in picture function. Okay, so this is one go, 9-inch, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, DSP function with OEM casing, OEM CAN bus socket plug and play for Peugeot 408. Installed by 1bis. Video by Andy. Southstream 2-inch full range. Thank you.